Learn about gadgets, and today we're learning about how to update the iPad mini software. I see right here in my settings I got a little 1 that just popped up today, so I'm thinking that maybe I gotta update. Right here under general, we see that there's a software update, so I'm gonna get right up in here and give that a tap, and that's it. Be connected to Wi-Fi. Go ahead and tap that button. Put in your passcode, whatever that may be. I'll put mine in real quick. Then you go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions, because no clue what it says, but you gotta agree. And that's it. Let it verify its update. It's going to take a little bit of time, but the general idea is that an update's going to fix a lot of bugs, kind of make the apps work a little bit faster. Generally, they're intended to just make your device better. But every once in a while, someone will have an issue. If you have any issues, the most important thing is to make sure you back up your device before you do an update. In case you lose your information, you can always go back to it. But if you update it and let's say you get locked out, then you may have to erase everything and start over. And if you have a backup, then you're safe. But if you don't, you're going to run into some issues, okay? So now we're just going to let it run its course. I've got an older device, so it's going to take a bit of time. Just kind of watch it, see what's going on there. Not a whole lot I can do with it while I'm waiting. So this is the time where I would generally just kind of leave it plugged in like it is, just let it do its thing. And there it is, it's turning on and off. Sometimes it does take a little bit longer than others. Always a little stressful when it does update, because sometimes it doesn't go well, but knock on wood, I've never had a bad experience. So we'll show you. I think we're updating to 9.3.1 right now. It's the newest software that Apple has. And that's it. It's just going to run its course. It's going to go through. It's going to take a little bit of time. Like I always say, it's just like the last 2 minutes of football. It could take 2 minutes or it could take 30 minutes. There's really no rhyme or reason. It apparently just seems to go as fast as it wants to. So now that the updates cycled through, we're going to wake up the device. I'm going to go ahead and put in my code real quick. Now the update is completed. I'm going to continue. I'm going to put in my password here, you know. Guys, a simple trick, if you don't remember your password, just hit skip this step and it will push you through. That just means you will have to sign in later into iCloud. I do, however, remember my password, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in real quick. Always hit next up top. People forget there's a button there. Alright, we'll just wait a minute, see what's happening. The update did take quite a bit of a time. See, it's 5:09 now, but you know, like I said, it's worth the wait when you're doing these updates. Sometimes cool things will come of it. But then again, it is a lot of waiting, so make sure you're plugged in. And now let's get started. So let's see what happened. Oh, everything looks exactly the same. Apparently my mom wants to know what time I work tomorrow. Guys, that's it. Now you're updated. Make sure you're signed in to all your iCloud settings and backed up. That's pretty much it. Now get to using your device. Learn a little bit more about your gadgets. We'll talk more about apps.